Alright, first we're going to take off the processing tube from the recovery machine and hook it back up to your manifold. Alright, and then we're going to come over to the gas. Make sure you're closed. Purge the line. Come over here to your recovery machine. Make sure these are closed. Alright, we're going to come over here. We're going to tighten the needle all the way down. Okay, needles all the way down. We're going to purge this line. Oh, already good. Going to come back up here. I think I'm good.
Machine.
Okay. These are going to be closed. Reading no pressure. Everything's off. And purge the machine. Good to go.